Hi friends, this video is mainly intended to make us understand what actually death is and why all the people fear of death and how to avoid that fear and live happily. So, for that, first we should know what is the meaning of birth and death. Birth means the entry of a soul from higher spheres, or simply we can say from heaven to this material world and taking a physical form and coming down to this earth, the densest sphere. So, birth marks the point at which a soul enters a new body to continue its journey till it gets liberated from the cycle of reincarnation. Birth is seen as a result of past karmas. Here, soul gets an opportunity to work out its karmic debts in a physical body till it reaches perfection and goes back to God in the process of salvation. Now, friends, let us see what is death, what we fear of. Death is a transition of soul from the dense earth to spiritual subtle realms. It is viewed as a departure of the soul from the physical body. It is described as a journey back to the subtle realms or higher worlds, where the soul can enjoy the freedom which earth doesn't know at all. Death opens the door for eternity. Death is really good because soul gets freedom from the cage bars of this physical body and enters once again into the subtle realms where joy and peace reigns. Death is a cessation of pain and sorrow. It gives an opportunity to enter into the heavenly realms. Now, friends, let us see how to overcome the fear of death. We know almost all the people of this world are afraid of death. The fear of death comes because of the fear of the unknown. To overcome fear, some religions gave some scriptures from where we can overcome the fear of death. Firstly, Hinduism teaches that fear of death comes from ignorance of the self, that is, it teaches that though the body is perishable, the soul or Atman indwelling in this physical body is immortal and eternal. That is, there is no death to anybody if they recognize the imperishable nature of the Atman or the soul. So, by accepting this as immortal and by knowing the true self as immortal souls, we can overcome fear of death. By knowing that death is only a transition from one state to another, we can eliminate the fear of death to a greater extent. Buddhism teaches that lack of the knowledge about what happens after the death is mostly the reason for the fear of death. It teaches that practicing meditation and understanding the self as immortal can help to overcome the fear of death. Christianity teaches that one can eliminate his or her fear of death by the concept of eternal life. The faith in resurrection and accepting that there is really an afterlife or life after death can offer comfort, and also by the hope that they will meet their deceased parents, friends, and spouse after death of the body, and by knowing the subtle nature of the soul, one can overcome the fear of death. The return of the Jesus after death of his body, that is, resurrection of the Jesus after 3 days of his death, really offers great relief from the fear of death. As Jesus Christ was resurrected, the Christians believe that they also can exist after death of the body as souls. Similarly, Islam teaches that those who are kind and of good nature are rewarded in paradise. They believe in the God as a merciful one. They also believe that death is only a transition from one state of hardships to another state of relief for the soul, where they will encounter joy and love and a better existence. Also, near-death experiences from many dying persons explain that death is only a positive transition where the dying person experiences a sense of soaring through a peaceful, dim light tunnel, and at the end of the tunnel, they see a peaceful light which is not glaring to the eyes, and then they see their relatives, friends, and parents who have died before and are lost in the earth plane. They warmly welcome their just died relatives. Some people report that they have seen Jesus or Krishna at the other end of the tunnel who come to help them in their spiritual journey. All these offer a sense of relief to the humans and help them to see the death with a different mirror. Educating oneself about dying process reduces their fear of death. We have to embrace mortality by recognizing that death is a process of transition from one plane to higher planes where we experience only joy and bliss in peaceful, loving surroundings. This earth is a three-dimensional sphere, and when death comes, we only go to a higher dimension or fourth dimension where there will be no sorrow and no suffering. We only experience peace. So, for everyone, death is a pension after the hard work of life. For all, it is a rest given after hardships of life. So, by knowing all these realities about death, one has to overcome fear of death and live life peacefully, knowing that death is only to the body, but there is no death to the soul. Soul is eternal. So, friends, I can conclude by saying that only the bodies will perish, but soul is always present. It is eternal. So, we the souls are eternal, we live permanently. The soul leaves the body only to get a better place to live in and better facilities to enjoy and to remain in joy and peace always, which we never get on this earth plane. If we understand this clearly, then we will be having no more fear of death in our life. Thank you, friends.